Hi YouTube, today we're going to be doing a product review on a new collection that we've just received yesterday from Carbon Collective. So we've picked up their leather kit, which compiles of Revive leather foam, Finire, which is their leather protectant, along with the interior detailing brush, a couple of clean microfibers. So we're doing this on Jaguar F-Pace R-Type. This is the passenger seat that we've masked up here. I'm going to show a protected side and an unprotected side. So I'll go ahead through the whole process of cleaning the leathers up, restoring them with the Revive leather foam, protecting them with the Finire protector. We'll peel away the masking tape, and then I've got a clear spray bottle here with just clean fresh water in, and we'll compare the two sides to see how hopefully we get some beading and some protecting capabilities after processing the Finire on this side. We'll then go ahead and do the rest of the seats in the vehicle. I've also picked up a sample bottle of Repel, which is the Carbon Collective fabric protectant, which I'll be trialing later today on a second car on some fabric seats, so stay tuned for that video. Okay guys, so we've allowed 1 hour, as per the instructions on the back of the Finire. It's asking us to allow 1 hour before any use. So we've given it one coat of the Finire, allowed it to cure. Now we'll test out the capabilities, the beading and the protection that it gives against the unmarked side here. I've got a simple little spray bottle here, just clean fresh water. So I'm going to go ahead, spray a few drops on either side, and we'll see how it performs. As you can see here on the left hand side, the water's behaviour is quite flat, and there's definitely a lot more beading going on the protected side. Even on the more powerful spray nozzle, it seems to be running off a lot easier. So it seems to be having the best effect on the headrest here. So just wipe it down and we'll give it another spray just to see how we act. So again, quite a clear difference to the amount of water that remains and the amount of water that soaks into the leather against the protected and unprotected sides. It's a little bit easier to see it on the headrest due to it being black coloured leather, opposed to the oyster, which can be a little bit tricky to see in the video. But overall, really good results. We did only give it one coat of protection with Finire. As always with majority of Carbon Collective, they do recommend up to 2 coats for maximum durability. If you liked today's video, then please give us a like below. Don't forget to subscribe to us and look out for our other videos.